The Mohawk cut, basically a still water lure with a little touch of difference, which I feel can pay dividends on a hard day on a tough water. Let's go ahead and tie them. More and more these days, unless I'm fishing for large resident fish, if it's competition stuff or small water stuff, I like to use barbless hooks. This is an Osprey nymph hook. Oh yeah, it's a long shank, but it's barbless. We're going to start by, now you could put lead in the underbody of this. It works well with a leaded body, it gives you that up and down movement. This one will tie without it. At the rear, I'm just going to catch in some lovely white marabou. And what I tend to do is when I'm tying, to keep an overall sort of body profile, is put the stubs right up to the tip, so you're getting a nice and even body. Now catch in some chartreuse wire. Catch it on my side of the hook shank. And also, this is a white chenille, but it's got a lot of flecks of UV in it. Just trim, pull the flue away so you're left with the core. Again, tie that in on my side. And what I'm going to do is create a little dubbing loop here. Maybe a little bit bigger. And then just park that out the way, so it's not interfering with the tying yet. Just wind up the chenille. Nice touch and turns. Up to a point just behind the eye. And with your scissors, trim, giving yourself enough space to work with. What I like to do here is just, for a little bit of security, stick in a hitch. Just a little hitch there. My flussed frame, that's never a good thing. Be a messy head. Right, this is the good bit. I've got here some light bright, it's a hot lime colour. And what I'm going to do is, in this dubbing rope, I'm going to put the fibres in and make a rope. About an inch, get it right up there, about an inch long. Spin the dubbing rope, get everything nice and tight. Till you're happy. And what you do is, with a wire, let the stuff come up over the back, creating the Mohican. Open turns, nice and even. And then what we'll do is, it's all across the Mohican at the back. We'll come in with the, you can do a lot more. This is just a small Mohawk. You can create a really big fibrous loop if you want. It's fiddly, it's worth it. And just come in, do an extra pair of hands here. And then a couple of whip finishes, just to secure everything. Come in with your scissors, snip that rope, just tidy up the wire. With the wire, if you just helicopter it, spin it, twiddle it, it'll snap. And then it's just a case of tidying up the head. Control shred wraps. Nice neat head. like so. I've got some frayed floss here, so I'll mess the head up. Come in with a little drop of varnish. Either side. Here you go. The Mohawk cat. If you want, I've got a dubbing brush somewhere, sadly I can't find it just now, it's something similar. You can just pull out a few more fibres. Proper Velcro will make it look even better. There you go. Mohawk cat, a deadly still water lure.